Hi friends, we are going to learn second unit. The sub-unit is The Twins. This poem is written by Henry Shamrock Leigh. This is a humorous poem about a pair of twins brothers. Now, let's read the poem first. In form and feature, face and limb, I grew so like my brother. That fox got taking me for him, and each for one another. It puzzled all our kith and kin. It reached a fearful pitch, for one of us was born a twin, yet not a soul knew which. One day, to make the matter worse, before our names were fixed, as we were being watched by nurse, we got completely mixed. And thus, you see, by fate decrees, or rather nurse will, my brother John got christened me, and I got christened him. This fatal likeness even dogged my footsteps when at school, and I was always getting flogged. For John turned out a fool, I put these questions fruitlessly to everyone I knew. What would you do if you were me to prove that you were you? Our close resemblance turned the tide of my domestic life, for somehow my intended bride became my brother's wife. In fact, year after year, the same absurd mistakes went on, and when I died, the neighbors came and buried brother John. Now, let's see new words from this poem. Form and features. रूप व चेहरेपट्टी. लिम्ब अवयव. फॉक्स लोक. टेकिंग चुकून एकाला दुसरा समजणे. कीथ अँड किन मित्र व नातेवाईक. पिच मर्यादा. ट्विन जुळे. सोल आत्मा. वर्स वाईट. डिक्री फरमान किंवा निवाडा. रादर अधिक खरे म्हणजे. विम लहर. क्रिस्टन नामकरण केले. फॅटल हानिकारक. डॉग पिच्चा न सोडणारा. फुटस्टेप पाऊल. फ्लॉग चोप बसला. फ्रुटलेसली निरर्थकपणे. Paraphrase of this poem. In the first stanza, the poet is saying that the poet and his brother were both alike in appearance. So all the people considered the poet as his brother and brother as the poet. So all the relatives were confused, and this similarity had a big level effect. In fact, that one of them was born as a twin, but no one knew who was born as a twin. In second stanza, the poet said that they were exchanged by the nurse before putting their name. The poet goes on to say that this may have been a command from God or a mistake made by the nurse. So the poet's mother gave the poet his brother's name while naming them. In the third stanza, the poet said that the effect of this similarity was very bad. When the poet and his brother entered the school, If his brother made a mistake, the poet would be punished. The poet goes on to say that I used to ask people in my knowledge in vain what I would have done if you were in my place. What would you have done to prove that you were you? The poet says in the last stanza that this resemblance had an effect on our domestic life. The girl whom he had chosen while marrying the poet and his brother got married to his brother. Such mistakes have been made over the years, and when the poet died, people buried his brother. At this point, the poet wants to say that all these mistakes were made by the people due to the change in the name and the similarity. आता आपण या कवितेचा मराठीतून अर्थ पाहू. पहिल्या कडव्यामध्ये कवी असे सांगत आहे की कवी आणि त्याचा भाऊ दिसायला हे दोघेही सारखेच होते. त्यामुळे सर्व लोक कवीला त्याचा भाऊ आणि भावाला कवी समजत असत. त्यामुळे सर्व नातेवाईक गोंधळायचे आणि या सारखेपणाचा मोठ्या लेवलवरती परिणाम झाला. खरं म्हणजे त्यांच्यापैकी कोणीतरी जुळे म्हणून जन्माला आला होता. पण जुळे म्हणून कोण जन्माला आले हे कोणालाच माहीत नव्हते. त्यांची नावे ठेवण्याआधी ते नर्सकडून अदलाबदली झाले. पुढे असे म्हणत आहे की हे तर देवाचे फरमान असावे किंवा नर्सची झालेली चूक असावी. त्यामुळे कवीच्या आईने कवीला त्यांच्या भावाचे नाव दिले व भावाला कवींचे नाव दिले. कवी पुढे सांगत आहे की या सारखेपणाचा परिणाम हा खूप वाईट झाला. कवी ज्यावेळी शाळेत जायला लागले त्यावेळी त्यांच्या भावाने जर एखादी चूक केली असेल तर त्याची शिक्षा कवींना भोगावी लागायची. पुढे कवी असंही सांगतात की मी हा निरर्थक प्रश्न माझ्या ओळखीच्या लोकांना मी विचारत असे की जर समजा माझ्या ठिकाणी तुम्ही असता तर तुम्ही काय केले असते की मीच आहे हे सिद्ध करण्यासाठी. कवी शेवटच्या कडव्यात असे सांगत आहे की या सारखेपणाचा परिणाम हा आमच्या घरगुती जीवनावर झाला. म्हणजे कवीला जी मुलगी ठरवली होती ती त्याच्या भावाची बायको ही कवीची बायको झाली. या ठिकाणी कवीला असे सांगायचे आहे की नावात बदल झाल्यामुळे किंवा सारखेपणामुळे अशा आयुष्यामध्ये काही गोष्टी घडत गेल्या. त्यानंतर पुढे कवीला असेही सांगायचे आहे की ज्यावेळी कवींचे मरण झाले किंवा कवी मरण पावले त्यावेळी लोक आली आणि लोकांनी काय केलं त्यांच्या भावाला नेऊन पुरलं.